Think you know your Samsung? Think again. There are powerful features hiding in plain sight. Today on Galaxy Station, I am unlocking a hidden gem inside your Samsung Galaxy, the private sharing feature. This tool gives you full control when sending sensitive files, from setting expiration dates to preventing others from resharing your content. To start, if this is the first time, go to Settings, scroll down and select Security and Privacy, then select Private Share. You may need to sign in with your Samsung account to use this feature, and make one thing sure: this is the sender, this is the receiver for this demonstration, and both devices must be in the Galaxy realm and they both have private share enabled. Okay, now let's share a file. Suppose a image. I am sharing this image to this device. Okay, I am tapping the share button. Then private share is now built in under quick share. Okay, quick share. My S21 Ultra is already here because they know each other. You need to tap the three dot, turn on private sharing. Yes, you can see set expiry option. Okay, here's where it gets powerful. You can set an expiry date or time, meaning the file will disappear after that time. You can also block the recipient from resharing the content with anyone else. Okay, I am sharing the file privately. My S21 Ultra receiving the file. When the recipient gets the file, they will be notified via private share. They can view it directly, but they won't able to screenshot it or forward it. Here you can see that this file is only visible to this device for the next 1 hour. And another important thing, yes, there is a watermark and it's a dynamic watermark, so your privacy is always secured. With private share, you can get privacy, productivity, and personalization all in one. A hidden Samsung features that most Galaxy users never even notice. Now you know how to use the Samsung's private sharing feature to protect your files like a pro. For more hidden Samsung tips, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you never miss the next trick here on Galaxy Station.